In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any video from any website on Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, because this method relies on tools that don't appear the same way on mobile. Once Chrome is open, go to the website that has the video you want to download. Let the page load fully so the video player appears and is ready to play. Now, we're going to use Chrome's built-in developer tools to find the actual video file. At the top right of Chrome, click the three dots, move down to More Tools, and then click Developer Tools. You can also use a keyboard shortcut if you prefer. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, and on Mac, press Command plus Option plus I. This will open a panel, usually on the right or bottom of your screen. Inside Developer Tools, look for the tab labeled Network and click it. If you don't see anything in the list yet, that's normal. At the top of the Network panel, you'll see a row of filters. Click on the one that says Media. This tells Chrome to only show network requests that are audio or video files, which makes it a lot easier to find what we need. Next, go back to the web page and start playing the video. As the video begins to load, you'll see new entries appear in the Media section of the Network tab. You're looking for a file that keeps loading as the video plays, often with an extension like .mp4, .wbm, or something similar. If you're not sure which one it is, watch for the file that's growing in size or that appears right when you hit play. Once you've identified the correct media file, right-click on that entry and choose Open in New Tab or Copy, and then Copy Link Address. If you open it in a new tab, the video should start playing by itself in a very simple player, with no extra page around it. From there, right-click directly on the video and choose Save Video As. Pick a folder on your computer, give the file a clear name, and save it. After the download finishes, you can close Developer Tools and the extra tabs. Your video is now saved on your computer and can be watched offline or moved wherever you like.